What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do the side skirts with rain gutters. Let's go ahead and do it. Guys, today we're gonna do side skirts. Okay, I'm gonna use rain gutters. This is a rain gutter. And I know some of you might be asking, didn't you say that you're gonna get a body kit? Yes, I'm gonna get a body kit, but this is temporarily. And for those that can't afford a body kit, this is a good option. So the rain gutter is like a $5 each. It's super cheap, and I'm gonna use this vinyl to wrap it, and 3M tape, and a ruler, and some other tools. Oh, this one. I don't have an electric saw, but if you have an electric saw, it's better. Okay? All right. Let's do it. Okay guys, now it looks like it's already on the space, the area that I needed. So if I leave it like a straight, like this, I think it's gonna look too wide. So I'm gonna let it touch the bottom. So I'm gonna put two double-sided tape on the bottom. I'm gonna use the leftover and cover this with another plastic, and I have like silicone, black silicone. I'm gonna glue it, stick it, and then wrap it, and that's it. Also, I'm gonna put a small pieces of vinyl to hold it, and if you don't wanna use glue, you can use vinyl too. You can put like slices, some like pieces of vinyl, and it can hold this piece. The vinyl is very strong, so if you don't wanna use glue, you can use vinyl to hold this piece together. Okay. Okay guys, I put let me see if you can see a small strip of vinyl. So this one, it will help to hold this better. Actually, it's still a little bit loose. So I think I'm gonna put make a hole on the bottom, like on the edges, I mean on the ends of each side, and make a hole with the plastic, and put a zip tie on the edges. Okay, I'm gonna do that next. Okay guys, those are the side skirts. They look super cool and super nice and also super cheap. Each rain gutter is like $4, so with tax it's almost $5. So for both it's like $10 plus the material. So you will be like spending $20 with a vinyl if you get like cheap vinyl. Okay, I use 3M double-sided tape to stick it on the top, and on the bottom I use zip ties. I didn't want it straight, so I used in an angle because for my opinion it looks better in an angle. Okay, because if I leave it straight it's gonna look too much outside. Okay, I'm gonna put the links of all the materials I use. On mine I use a regular vinyl, it doesn't match the color very good, so I'm gonna get a wrap vinyl, 3M wrap vinyl. They have a color that is closer for my car, but the size of the skirt is 77 inches and the width of the roll is 60 inches, so I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces because I don't wanna buy a big size of vinyl for the wrap. Okay, so you can do that too. You can buy like 3 foot of wrap vinyl and put it in 2 pieces for both the skirts, so it'll be cheaper for you. Let me know what you guys think of this modification. It's super nice, super cheap. Anybody can do this. You don't need to make holes. I made holes on the side skirts, on the gutter. On those I made holes to hold it on the bottom so it won't shake when the car is running with the air. So let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. I'm gonna put the links on the description. If you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe. Remember, one body kit for one of my subscribers. See you on the next video.